Thinking about solar tiles? Yeah, you probably gotta replace your whole roof first. So, here's the deal. Solar tiles are like actual roof shingles that generate electricity, but they need a fresh, compatible roof underneath to work right. If your roof is already old or damaged, it's smart to swap it out before installing solar tiles, because you don't want to rip out the tiles a few years later to fix the roof. Traditional solar panels are simpler sometimes since they just mount on top of your existing roof, but they don't cover as much space or look as sleek. When you're planning, get a roofing inspection first to check if your current setup can handle solar tiles or if it's time for a new roof. Also, think about the style and materials. Solar tiles typically go with asphalt or concrete roofs better than metal or wood shakes. Don't forget permits and local regulations, because those can vary a lot and mess with your timeline if you're not ready. Budget-wise, solar tiles plus a new roof can be pricey up front, but might pay off in long-term savings and home value. Lastly, always pick installers who know both roofing and solar systems well, because this combo isn't your average DIY project. One of the biggest mistakes with solar tile installation is skipping the roof inspection. If you don't check your roof's condition first, you could end up paying twice when the roof fails under new tiles. Another common problem is hiring contractors who lack experience with solar roofing. This can lead to leaks or electrical issues, so always ask for references and proof of past work. Finally, not understanding local building codes and permit requirements causes delays and fines. Make sure to research or get help from pros who handle all the paperwork properly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about roofing and solar. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for projects, making sure everyone finds the right match without hassle.